Start with a magic circle and chain 3. This chain 3, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 20 treble crochets in the circle. Yarn over twice, pull through first 2 loops, second 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Once you're done, pull this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first treble crochet. Next on chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat this, chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in this first chain space. That's a connecting stitch made. Chain 5 and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat this. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and 1 double crochet on this double crochet from the previous round. Now continue making chain stitches and 1 single crochet in this space. Now repeat this round 3 more times, or if you wish to make your doily bigger, you can keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. At the end of this round, chain 5 and make a slip stitch on this double crochet. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. 3 single crochets in this space, chain 3 picot, chain 3 and 1 slip stitch on this bottom stitch. That's 1 picot stitch made. 3 more single crochets in the same space. Repeat this all around. 3 single crochets, chain 3 picot and 3 more single crochets in the same space. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, slip stitch in each stitch until you reach the picot stitch. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into this picot stitch, chain 5, 1 single crochet into this next picot stitch, now repeat this all around. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next picot, to end this round, chain 3 and 1 treble crochet on this first single crochet. Yarn over twice and 1 treble crochet into this single crochet. Pull through first 2 loops, second 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Next round, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet in the same stitch, chain 3 picot, chain 3 and 1 slip stitch in the bottom stitch, chain 7, 1 single crochet in the next loop, Repeat this all around. Chain 3 picot, slip stitch into the bottom stitch, 1 single crochet into the next loop. To end this round, chain 3 and 1 treble crochet into this picot stitch. Yarn over twice and 1 treble crochet. First 2 loops, second 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Next round, chain 3 picot, chain 8 and 1 single crochet into the next space. This is how it will look. Now repeat this. Chain 3 picot, chain 8 end this round, chain 8 and slip stitch into this picot stitch. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, chain 2, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 7 double crochets, chain 3, now repeat this all around, 7 double crochets in the next space, chain 3, and once you reach them, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 2, this won't be counted as a stitch, 1 double crochet each in the 7 stitches. Start the next stitch in the same stitch, three double crochets in this chain 3 space, now repeat this all around, 1 double crochet in each of the stitches and 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. Next round, chain 7, one slip stitch into the same stitch, one slip stitch into this ring, chain 3, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish the stitch. Repeat it one more time, 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3 loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch complete. Chain 3 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 petal made. Now repeat this 4 more times. Chain 3, 1 double crochet cluster, this is how it will look. Now 1 single crochet each in the next 10 stitches. This is the next stitch, and take this yarn in along with the working yarn. This is how it will look. Now repeat this all around. I'll show you one more time. Chain 7, 1 slip stitch in the same stitch, 1 slip stitch into the circle, chain 3, 1 double crochet cluster, three loops, chain 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 petal made. Repeat this 4 more times. 1 single crochet each in the next 10 stitches. And once you reach the end, slip stitch into the stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.